Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use sequences on HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and I'm going to navigate to sequences in just a second. Sequences are pretty much just automations for your HubSpot experience. You can automate certain processes, some menial tasks, which you want to automatically be done, completed, and created, so that you don't have to, and so that you can save time for more important things. And they are a very useful tool. Now, they are located here in automations, and you just need to click on sequences. And as you can see, I can't create any since I do not have a sufficient enough plan. If you want to use it, you can't use the free plan. You do need to upgrade to a certain plan. I'm not exactly sure which plan includes sequences, but that is completely up to you to subscribe. And as you can see, you need Sales Hub Professional. I forgot that it's written right here, but yeah, to explain to you guys how to use it, I'll just go through this support article. To create them, you just need to go to the sequences tab, go to the top right, click create sequence. Then you can start from scratch or use a template, and again click create sequence, and just edit the name and description of your sequence if you want to. You more than likely should. And in the right panel, you need to select an action. You can add automated emails, or create emails, or call or general task reminders. And you can add automated emails by just choosing the email type, click create new template, and existing email templates, you can search through and find one that fits best for you. And you can also add the delay between these automations, which is very important. So just do that. And to add a task reminder, you can just select any of these options: manual email task, call task, or general task. And under details, click the check mark to pause the sequence until the task is completed if you want to. Then enter a title, set all the required data to what it should be, and add an email template as well if you want to. And that is pretty much it. I'll leave the rest to you to figure out and to play around with. But that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.